All right, we finally graduated from area and surface area, and now we're gonna fill your shape up with, Mountain Dew or syrup or water, I don't know. We're gonna fill up these babies, and that's called volume, okay? Today we're gonna focus on prisms, all right? You name it, rectangular prism, triangular prism, it's all about prisms. Okay, so to make your life easy, I love to stick with one formula. If you want to find the volume of a prism, you can do capital B times H, all right? And the reason why I'm going capital B like that is because capital B always means the area of the base, okay? So the first thing you want to do is, look, I'm going to highlight the rectangle that is 10 inches by 14, okay? So there's a 10 inch by 14 inch rectangle. I'm calling that the base, all right? It's a rectangle, so you replace the B with the area formula of whatever that shape is. And since that shape is a rectangle, I'm just gonna go ahead, look, put a big old parentheses here times H, and I ask myself, okay, what was the base? Oh, the base was a rectangle, and I put length times width, because that's what a rectangle is for area. All right, so you grab the 10 and the 14, and then the height is always the one that connects the two bases. So there's a 10 by 14 down below, and then there's one above it, parallel to it, so 4.5 serves as that height. If you're finding this easy, I like hearing that, because again, if you have the right formula, you know this is a rectangular prism, and you know it, we're finding volume, you're good to go. So now I go 10 times 14 times 4.5, and I get 630. Go back to the drawing, it's in terms of inches, and then remember we finally graduated from area, so for volume you're going to put cubic, all right, to the third power. It just means these are three-dimensional shapes and we're filling it, okay? So it's 630 inches cubed is going to be your volume for your rectangular prism. What do you think? Not a bad problem, huh? Do you need one that's maybe a little bit more challenging? Okay, so let's try another one that might be a little more entertaining. I will find one for you, just special for you. I hope everything's going well for you, but we're going to do some math to take our mind off of things, you know what I'm saying? All right, so how about, I like this one. Yeah, let's move this one here. Number 5, I'll get this baby zoomed in. Ooh, actually that worked out really good, just moving that up. All right, yeah, this looks kind of complicated. All right, move that down just a little bit. I want to keep that title. Okay, we got this one. All right, we're still doing volume. The hardest part, honestly, is just naming the shape and going from there. Okay, well, we definitely know it's a prism, okay? The reason why it's a prism is because you have, look, two faces that are the same. All right, see this front triangle, the one on the back, those triangles are your bases, and then all of the other faces are rectangles. So this is definitely a prism, okay? We're doing volume, so guess what? It's just gonna be V equals capital B times H. All right, then you leave the V alone, the equal sign alone, put a big old set of parentheses here. Remember what base was, all right? Base is the area of one of those two parallel faces. So I'm just going to focus on this one, it's easier to see. So this is a triangular prism. So we need to find the area of this very base. And that's a triangle, and then you got to go back to the very first lesson, lesson 1.4, because that's all math ever does. And the formula for a triangle is 1/2 B times H. And notice it's lowercase, because it stands for the base of the triangle. Excellent out there, okay? Whoever said that. I love it. You go, oh, base and height of a triangle is easy. Look for the box. Yeah, that's right. You look for the 90 degrees on the triangle, and that tells you that 11 is attached to the 5.4. This is the base, this is the height. So in the parentheses, I'm going to go 1/2 11 is going to serve as the base, and the 5.4 is going to serve as the height. Okay, this is only for the triangle, and then remember the height of the three-dimensional shape is going to be, you know, what attaches triangle to triangle, and this triangle attaches the one in the back there by that 16. All you gotta do, type these babies in. Sorry for all the extra parentheses there. Sometimes I get a little parentheses happy. So 0.5 times 11 times 5.4 times 16, and you get 475.2. 475.2. All right, go back, inches. We were doing volume, cubit. All right. And that's how much you can fill into your triangular prism. By the way, this is lesson 17.4. We've graduated to volume, and it's worksheet page 24. I hope all is well, and I hope to see you all very, very soon. Take it easy.